of our clients coming in are hesitant to be told they need to submit through a help desk or a ticketing system because they feel like once they submit that, it's just going to go into the middle of nowhere. So it really helps us from our process standpoint to keep it a ticketing system. So the number one point to building that trust is to actually respond as quickly as possible. Find out what the issue is. Even if we can't fix that issue right away, it's about like transparency and being upfront and honest with them about, hey, this is what's wrong and this is what we're going to do to fix it, and let them know as quickly as possible that we're on it and we're going to address the situation so that they know that we're aware and they don't have to sit around and wait for hours or days to get a response back to be asked the question, and it even delays the time to get a resolution even longer.
And in that process, we like to ask a lot of questions up front to eliminate a lot of the back and forth that comes with using a support tracking system. We try to get all the information up front to make sure that when we pass that information on to our designers or developers or whoever's going to be working on the ticket, they're fully aware of everything that's involved.
It's about being consultative, and when, like Ariel said, when somebody comes in with a request, that request may not be the most cost-effective or the best way to go about something. So it's asking questions, and you may initially think that that's annoying or just do what I want you to do, but really we're out to do the best thing possible for you. We won't just take orders and turn them over and not care about what the end result is. We want to make sure whatever we're doing for you is the best for your business.
Another part of our approach is that aside from having that help desk available to send requests to and get speedy responses from, we take personalized and customized approach to working with our clients because we're genuinely invested in the success of every one of our clients and their websites. So we provide strategic insights and advice from time to time when we notice, for example, if a site is using HTTP protocol and doesn't have an SSL certificate. That's something that we want to bring to the forefront, especially with Google's impending not secure label that they're going to be tagging on to websites that are not, that don't have the HTTPS protocol. There are also kind of design elements that we've seen with, again, working with different sites, whether it's a production team that has launched a new site or a new project that we've created. If we see something that we know another client can benefit from, we're going to bring that to the table. So what we've found is a lot of firms out there are so interested in the creative aspect of designing and building a brand new site for clients, but they tend to kind of shy away from the maintenance and support and enhancements that come afterwards. They're so engrossed with looking for that new project to satisfy their creative juices. But really what we've done here is in the last couple of years, we've invested in our clients' long-term success. So, we take critical security-related support and upgrades to WordPress and plugin very seriously. We try to educate our clients as to the importance of that. A lot of times it may not seem that critical if you have a website and maybe you're not updating it often enough. It might seem like an insurance policy. Okay, maybe if somebody perchance hacks your system, then you might need a support plan or contingency plan in place, but it's really important to have that up front. So we also offer website auditing services, meaning if we didn't design and develop the site here at Emagine through our production team, often we have clients that come to us whose agencies have, again, kind of forgotten about the importance of support and maintenance ongoing after site launch. And that auditing process is very thorough. We go through and we make sure that there are no security gaps. And that doesn't just mean with WordPress versions and plugin versions. That means actually getting into the code, digging in. Our developers are experts in kind of determining and finding any issues. There could be site performance optimization related issues that we discover, and we present a report to these clients that we can then execute on.
And building that relationship and trust is about us always improving as well so we can serve our customers better. And part of the reason we like to use the ticketing system is it has this built-in review feature so that when we solve a ticket or we finish whatever work we needed to do, it automatically kicks out a very quick survey where the customer has the ability to rate us and also write in any comments they have. And I personally look at every single one that gets submitted through the system to make sure that we're doing the best that we can, and we always welcome client feedback, and some clients are always more than willing to tell us how good we did or how we can improve. So we take that feedback very seriously. We consistently collect client feedback, and we encourage you to click the link in this video and submit feedback if you've worked with us previously.